Namaste everyone. Today's class is about Sukshma Vyayam, which is also known as Pavan Muktasan Series 1. This is excellent to release the tension from the joints and good for the people who are suffering from rheumatism, arthritis, high blood pressure, heart disease, or any physical condition in which vigorous postures or vigorous asanas are not recommended. So we'll start this posture. Basically, we move the different joints from toes to the head. We'll repeat each movement for 5 rounds. To start with, sit in Prarambhik Sthiti. Stretch your leg in the mat. Keep your hands to the side. If you can't sit on the mat, you can do it on the bed also. Stretch your leg. Keep your hands to the side. Try to keep your back straight. Now, keep in mind 3 things. First, the movement is with the breath. Second, the movement may cause the movement of the prana, which you have to feel. Third, become aware of that particular joint. First, we'll start with the toes. Now, in this, you have to bend the toes and stretch your toes. Breathing will be inhale when you stretch your toes back, exhale when you bend your toes. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale and exhale. Now, push your feet down. This is the second one, the stretching, the bending of the ankle, and push your feet back. Exhale, keep pushing your toes down to the floor and you will feel the strong stretch in the front of the feet. Exhale, stretch your feet back. Inhale, exhale, push your feet down. Inhale, stretch your feet back. Exhale, push your feet down. Inhale, stretch your feet back. Exhale, push your feet down. Inhale, stretch your feet back. The third one is the ankle rotation. So separate your feet a little apart and drop your toes one side. Take it front and stretch it back. Make a circle. Every time when your feet goes front, you have to exhale. When your feet stretch back, you have to inhale. Inhale, exhale. 2. Make a circle. Try to touch your both the sides. 3, 4 and 5. Now change the direction. 5 round. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Bring your feet together. Next one is movement of the knee. Bend your right leg, hold your right thigh like this. When you pull your thigh to the chest, you have to exhale. When you inhale, stretch your leg. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Release your leg. Now with left leg, hug your left thigh, pull your thigh to the chest. Inhale, stretch your leg. Become aware of your knee joint. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, stretch it fully. Exhale, pull your thigh to the chest. Inhale and exhale. Release your leg. Knee rotation. Hold it tightly. Hug your thigh. Keep it close to the abdomen. And now make a circle. 5 round clockwise, 5 round anti-clockwise. Every time when your leg goes up, you have to inhale. When your leg comes down, exhale. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change the direction. You can do it slow to synchronize it with movement of the leg, with movement of the breath. 3, 4 and 5. Release your leg. Now we'll do the same thing with left leg. Hug your left thigh tightly. Sit straight, taller, and start making big circle. 1. Inhale and stretch your leg up. Exhale and down. 3, 4 and 5. Change the direction. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Release your leg. Now bend your right leg. Hold your right foot with both the hands. Inhale and stretch your leg front. Exhale, pull your toe to the head. Inhale, stretch your leg front. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, stretch your leg front. Exhale, pull your toe to the head. Now, 5 round with left leg. Hold your left foot. Inhale, stretch your leg front. Exhale. 1, stretch. 2, stretch. 3, stretch. 4, stretch, and 5. Release your leg. Ardha Titli. This one is for the hip joint. Fold your right leg and keep your right foot on your left thigh. Your left hand holding the right foot and your right hand is on the knee. Push your knee down and pull your knee up. Push your knee down, pull your knee up. Focus on your hip joint. Push your knee down, pull your knee up. Push your knee down, pull your knee up. Push your knee down and pull your knee up to the chest. Release your leg. Same thing with the left leg. Fold your left leg. Keep your left hand on the left knee. Push your knee down and pull your knee up to the chest. Exhale. 2. Exhale. 3. Exhale. 4 and 5. Pull your knee up to the chest and stretch your leg. Next is butterfly. Keep your feet together and move your both the thighs. We'll do 25 movement of this. Feel the stretching of your pelvic area, movement of the hip joint, and stretching of inner thighs. After 25 movement, bend front. Try to keep your elbows on the knee and bend front. Push your head to the toes or floor. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now you can sit comfortably. Now we'll move to the upper body joint and first we'll start with the knuckles. Stretch your both the arm front and stretch your fingers maximum apart. Inhale fully. thumb inside and make a tight fist. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, stretch your fingers. Exhale, make a tight fist. Now, stretch your fingers and keep your fingers together. Turn your palm up. Now we are moving the wrist. Exhale, down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Make a fist, thumb inside, 4 fingers up, and rotate your wrist. 1, 5 round clockwise direction, 5 round anti-clockwise. 3, 4 and 5. Change the direction. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Open your palm. Now we'll do for the elbow. Bend your elbows. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, bend. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Bring your elbows together. Now we'll move to the shoulder. Shoulder rotation. Make a big circle. 1. Inhale, take your both arm up. Exhale, push your elbows back. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now change the direction, opposite direction, 5 round. Inhale. When you take your arm up, exhale and down. Your awareness is on the shoulder joint. 2. Inhale. 3. Inhale. 4. Inhale and 5. Release your hand. Now we'll move to the neck. Sit taller and stretch your neck. Look up to the ceiling. Exhale. Chin to the chest. Stretch back of the neck. Head in the center. Turn your head to the right. Center. Turn your head to the left. Center. Drop your head one side and slowly and gently move your neck. 3 round in clockwise direction. 3 round in anti-clockwise direction. Change the direction. When you turn your head up, inhale. When your chin comes to the chest, exhale. Okay. With this, we end the Pawan Muktasan 1 series or Sukshma Vyayam series. Namaste everyone.